guys, welcome back to my IGTV. So in this video, I'm sharing my highly requested everyday makeup routine. So it's a get ready with me with all the drugstore products. So let's dive in. I've already prepped up my skin really well, and starting with the base makeup, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte 24-Hour Foundation. The texture is a little tricky. I mean, it's lightweight, but it has medium to full coverage. It's not heavy on the skin, yet it covers everything you want a foundation to cover. It's breathable and yet smudge proof, and the best part is it's transfer proof. You don't need to set it, and yet it still doesn't transfer to your clothes. I keep my makeup really easy and quick on a daily basis. So I'm using this Lash Paradise mascara. It's a must try, guys. Look how big and thick my lashes actually look. And then for the lipstick and blush, I'm using this Rouge Signature lipstick on my lips and my cheeks, and look how smoothly the foundation blended it कि इसके ऊपर even a lipstick isn't looking patchy. Just prep your skin well and you will be good to go like I am. It comes in variety of shades. My shade is 104. But let's move on to the swatches now. Hope you guys enjoyed this super quick makeup routine and get ready with me and the swatches, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!